Oh! Oh! You didn't notice camera here? What? Good one, right? Hey man! So this was figurine. Oh my god, that's cool. I like it. Oh, where is she? She's angry, guys. She is angry. Where are you going? Do you want to ride with me? It's fun? It's fun? It was just prank. You gave me cockroaches last time and I am the bad one. Very scared, tell me. Was it real? Did it look real?
I'm stupid.
You are stupid?
Yeah.
Or I am?
You too, but I'm stupid that
You fell for that?
never, I've never recognized it.
Oh my god. That's good. Good, good. But in the second, I know it from my experience. Whenever there's some prank, even though you know we are pranking each other for many times, but in that second you cannot think about it. It's really hard. Rotten apple.
Something for you.
Cool. Ow! Asshole. No. Bad Lenka. I know some prank.